Hi and welcome to this YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sketch in CAD and all the tools in the sketch feature. So first of all, we gotta go to new over here and create a model. So let's choose model and then let's name it how to create a sketch. Then where to save it, we can go over here, choose where to save it, press OK, but I'll just save it here over here and then press OK. Now we gotta create a sketch. So let's go to home and then sketching task environment. As you can see in the beginning, we have 3 planes to choose from. We have this one, and see if we can get that one, this one, and this one. So in the beginning, it doesn't matter which one you choose, but for now we'll just choose this one. Press OK. First of all, gonna choose profile. And profile can make a straight line that are connected. So let's do like this. Press here. Like this, this, and this. And now we have a square. So it's basically just a function that creates connected lines, nothing else. You can also create arcs with the profile. So if we press here, now we choose our endpoint and then our radius. And then we can continue with a straight line. Or choose a new arc and then that's connected to our last. Or just a line like this. And then we can continue with an arc and so on and so forth. That's basically how this works. And then we can choose a rectangle and just create a rectangle like this. But as you can see over here, we have 3 different ways of creating a rectangle. By 2 points, as you just saw, this point and then the diagonal point. We have by 3 points, like this. And then we have another way by 3 points. So as you can see, it chooses the middle one. And you choose the width. And then you choose the height. Like that. Then you have these input modes. But I'm not quite sure what these does. I always just use XY mode. And I haven't messed around with this one. Then we can use line. So a line, it only creates a straight line. And nothing else. It doesn't connect to anything or nothing. So if we want to make lines that are connected, we have to press on that endpoint and drag. As you see, we get a new straight line. And the third one, we have to press here once again and pull down like that. So now we're going to go through arc. So what arc does is creates a circle. It doesn't need to be half circle, but it isn't a full circle. So let's press here, and that's our starting point. And then we choose our end point of the circle here, and now we can change the radius of the circle. As you can see in that little box, when we move it around, the radius changes. Then we have another method. If we start, as you can see, we choose our radius immediately. Let's just press here. And now you got a circle, and you can choose how big of a circle, but you can't make a full circle, as you can see. And then we have the circle command. So in the first method, when we press, we just choose the diameter immediately. And that's it, nothing else. And then we have circle by 3 points. We choose our start point, then we choose our end point, and then we choose our diameter. As you can see, very similar to one of the arc ways of choosing a circle, but a little bit different since it's now connected. I often just use the first method and not this last one that we made. And point. So what a point is, it's basically just something you can use as a reference. So if you know over here we have to have a line start, then you can create a point and always use that as a starting point, so you know where it is. That's basically what a point does.
Music.